Over the last 200 and so years, waterways have become contaminated. The eel population has slowed down. We need to change either our farming practices, our dumping practices, even our mortuary waste going into the system. So from my perspective, we need to do more.
We're at the top of Te Kahu. There's a dump here and it's leaking toxins into our rivers. The eels have been getting more sick. We've been finding more dead eels than we would have 5 years ago or so.
The rangatahi of today are the rangatira of tomorrow, so we've really got to impart that knowledge on how things are.
I just want to see the waters thriving with fish and eels everywhere.
It's important to keep our connections with our awa. So we're still holding on with that tenuous line there, so we're involving our tamariki, our rangatahi, teaching them about how things were, how things are today, but more importantly how we want to see them in the future.